The touring of the plant was a fascinating one. The level of precision and cleanliness and so forth. I think it's a big part of telling the story.
The question really is that, yeah, sustainability is great, but how does that affect quality? Because if you lose quality in the process, that kind of goes against consumerism. It needs to benefit the eye doctor, it needs to benefit the patients. And if you can find a way to do all those things and benefit the world that we live in, well, then a little bit of magic takes place.
We understand that we need to, in addition to increase our profits, make sure that we're manufacturing high quality lenses, but in an environment that we are also saving our natural resources.
When we have a consistent process, you're going to make sure that you have consistent results.
So we review and analyze and observe the individual process throughout the manufacturing flow.
Doctors need to be able to explain, well, I've seen what goes into this. I can tell you the level of precision, the level of research that goes into what we think is the best product for you.
And I think they're proving that that can be done as it relates to the Clarity One Day lens, which I've always thought is an amazing lens. And now to see their focus on sustainability with this particular lens in mind, wow, that's a pretty powerful statement.